So welcome back mga bossing! Andito na naman tayo. Andito na naman si Alvin ng Boy Bukas Toy Box. So this time, ikakwento ko sa inyo kung paano medyo nahihirapan na tayong bumili sa Japan ng mga toys. If you notice, medyo parang local yung mga binibilhan natin ngayon. Sa kadahilan ng hindi sila nag-ship ng EMS ngayon right now. Dahil nga siguro sa COVID, at they use DHL, which is very expensive. Kahit sa ang mahal na kanyang services, tapos talagang hindi ka makakaligtas sa duty and taxes, at talagang medyo mayayari ka sa tax. Kaya medyo iniwasan natin, pero we still hoping na sooner maayos na ng Japan Post ang problema ito ng EMS. Kaya nga yung natin medyo anong buwan na ngayon, marami pa rin hindi nakakatanggap ng Voltes 5 DX from Ami dahil nga sa problema ng shipping na yan, dahil they cannot use DHL dahil nga DHL hindi tumatanggap ng may battery. Yung EMS naman na pwedeng sana nilang gamitin hindi naman nagsiship ngayon sa USA and other country, like also here in Canada. So malaking problema. Kaya, but this time medyo may nice type tayong sa eBay Kaya, teka, sandali. So ito siya. So dahil nahihilig rin tayo sa Sentai o Tokusatsu, mga line of toys. Ayan, hindi ko napigilang i-purchase, pero nadali ko rin siya ng mura, kaya nadali rin nga lang ako ng DHL sa tax, kaya medyo nayari tayo ng konti. So, palintay natin, tara, buksan na natin to para malaman natin kung ano to. Let's go!
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, mga bossing, let's do it. Ito na. Dapat protection na ibang kahon to. So here you go, mga bossing. Ayan na. Medyo kasi maganda yung yung forma niya, para siyang bote So I got this, na siya, medyo tawag dito, talagang used na siya, pero they say na medyo maganda pa yung loob. So tara, we'll see kung gaano ka pulido to. So one good thing here, still 2009, made in Thailand, so hindi siya made in China. So yan, so makikita niya yung kanyang korte. So this one is the Secret Lantern DaiGoyou. So the Shinkenger, so this part ng Sentai na Samurai Sentai Shinkenger. So I hope na I said it right. So yeah, so ang sabi dito medyo naka rin to mga naka 19 episodes din. So yung kanyang first appearance is 2009. So exactly the same as the toy line's release, I guess. So, kaya parang sabi niya, ang birthday niya is September 6, 2009. Kung kailan unang ineri yung kanyang appearance sa Gold Rangers. So yeah, may mga ito yung mga series na may mga disc na ganito So, to be honest, I'm not still familiar. I'm still learning and starting collecting Sentai. So, hindi pa tayo masyadong knowledgeable sa series na to. And I have also these toys, pero ito sa US release na version, but it's missing the sword and some of the D's, and I think it's which one is the elephant part or something, the right hand. So but I'm still looking sa buong version niya. Actually, this is what I'm looking for when I found this one. Kaya nadali tayo. Makita natin medyo, wow, mura. At still looking in good condition. Yeah. Binili na rin natin. Kasi kasama na rin shipping niya sa price eh. So here you go. Tara mga bossing. Enough talking. But they say it's a DX, but I don't see any DX here. So still okay. As long as the quality of the item still good. So let's see. Samahan niyo ako mga bossing. Sabay-sabay natin itong panoorin. Okay, looks like still complete. This is a good thing. At yung kanyang okay. So natanggal na rin sa kanya yung kanyang manual. Kasi iba na yung tape, I guess. So, ito na siya mga bossing. So, this is the manual. At kanyang mga parts. Okay, I think the quality is still so good sa kanyang presyo. Mga this. Yung mga kamay. And the main lantern. Okay, so as I noticed sa kanyang box, it requires battery, so I'm not sure if it's included or probably not anymore because matagal na nga rin siya. So we'll see. Okay, so oh my goodness, now I really need this kasi magkasama silang dalawa, kaya pwede mong i-mix ang combination niya. So, it's a good thing. So, samahan nyo ako mga bossing sa pagka-hunting na rin itong isang version na to ng robot na to. Okay. Okay, so that's everything. And then we'll go to the manual. Okay, there's one more here. Okay, so I guess this one is something na hindi mo dapat gawin sa robot. Ayun. So, puro egg siya, so don't do that, I believe. Ayun, so this is the right way to do it. Oh, so ayaw niya doon may sisiksik yung in this, so dapat sa ibabaw. Okay. At ito naman. So yeah, it's more like a tumbler than the lantern. So this is a mix and match niya. Okay. Okay, so we got all the complete parts as mentioned here. Got a 2Ds, like left and right arms, and I guess it's like a feet. Okay, so here you go mga bossing. That's all in the box, and then you start playing. Go go go, Power Ranger! Okay, tara. Okay, so here we go. So pakita ko muna sa inyo isa mga bossing. Quality niya. Good quality. And press. There you go. So yan, empty. Dito may lalagay yung disc. Okay, let's put the disc here first. Okay, and this one says the battery compartment. So here, okay, let's put it down here. Yeah, I think there's a battery nga pala dito na kasi medyo mabigat na siya. Okay, oh, there you go. So ito yung kanyang switch. Oh, there you go. Yeah, may battery na siya. Naisa nila ang DXL Sabi kasi bawal mag-anong DXL may battery But this one, it doesn't include battery, so we're good to go. Let's do this. Let's assemble it. There you go. And then, so yeah, if you want na parang lantern lang siya, so this is how you're gonna insert the legs. I guess, yeah. So there you go, that's right. So yan, parang ano lang siya, lantern mode. So hindi pa siya robot mode. So let's see kung may mga sound effects na siya dito. Oh, wala. Nice. Okay, at ang kanyang, so we need to just push it. Okay. Okay. So one more. So hindi siya tumitira. Parang minumove lang siya. Siguro if you really watch the Tokusatsu show nito, you know why it's just like that. So okay, so kanyang lantern version, gawin natin siyang robot mode. Let's go. So, okay, so this is on this side. This need to be okay, no, that's correct. So yan, kasi pinakapaan niya ito yung tuhod. Yan. Okay, and this arm here. On here. So talagang wala siyang sword as a robot, pero pag kinumbay mo to, weapon siya ng Rangers. So while having this yeah, okay, so this is the head. Yeah, okay, and the lights effect. See, may ilaw dun sa kanyang mata. Shinkenger, okay. So, yan siya mga bossing as a robot. Yan. Nice. So, malaki rin siya. Siguro mga 12 inches. More than 12 inches to. Pag nag-combine na siya as robot. Teka ha. Okay. Yeah, so mga up to 8 discs you can put there. So hanapin natin si Shinkenger. Okay, so just to get the idea of the height, if you combine, yeah, so 11 inches. Ayan, almost very cool. Nice. Sulit. So, simple lang siya. That's really cool. So, that's it mga bossing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. At kung hindi pa, please do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button at hit nyo na rin yung notification bell icon. So, peace out. Bye for now.